I just completed a remodel of my primary bathroom. And one of my favorite things in this space has got to be hands down the new bath vanity. Now, I did decide to go the DIY route with this vanity cabinet, meaning I ordered it online, it came flat packed, and I had to put this together myself. So if you're thinking about going that route for your next project to save a little bit of money, let me tell you about this particular one that I got from cabinetdiy.com and the process involved in putting it together and getting it installed. This vanity that I got is 48 inches. They do have all kinds of sizes, styles, and colors on cabinetdiy.com. You can get small vanities, medium, large ones. You can even fill up this whole wall if you wanted with a bunch of different cabinets. But they don't just have bath vanities, they also have kitchen cabinets too. So there's a lot of options for you on that website to do any kind of remodel project that you want. Now they do have a couple of options. You can have it delivered to you flat packed to where you put it together yourself, or you can pay a little bit more to them and they will assemble it for you and ship it that way. So really the choice is yours. I prefer to do it myself to save a little bit of money on the shipping. As for the DIY assembly process, I am familiar with putting kitchen cabinets together. I've done my kitchen in the past. I've also put tons of furniture together over the years. So if you're familiar with putting furniture together and or other cabinets, you'll be able to figure this out. There were a couple of hiccups. The instructions that they sent me were not for this particular vanity. They were for a similar one, but not this one, because the hardware pictured in the instructions was different from the hardware that was included in my kit. But I was able to contact the company and they sent me some pictures of the correct hardware so that I would know exactly where to put everything. So between the pictures they sent and my prior knowledge of putting cabinets and furniture together, I was able to figure it out along with the instructions, even though they weren't the exact ones that I needed. Now, it did take me a few hours to put this vanity together because there's quite a lot of moving pieces here. There's the vanity box itself, and then I've got 6 drawers here. So I had a lot of drawers to put together. I had to put all of the drawer glides on there, and then of course assemble all of the cabinet doors. So here's what the finished cabinet looks like. Again, if you're familiar with putting furniture together, you should be able to do this DIY assembly no problem. Otherwise, you may just want to pay extra and have it shipped pre-assembled for you. And now let's talk about the construction because I'm so impressed with this cabinet. It is plywood all the way around. Even the drawer bottoms are plywood. And even the cabinet framing itself is solid wood in addition to all of the drawer fronts and the cabinet doors. There is no particle board here. And of course, they have the dovetail construction on all of the drawers as well. They even included quality hinges and drawer glides. These things are heavy duty. They are going to last a long time. And of course, we have soft close cabinet doors and soft close drawers. Overall, the drawers, the cabinets, the box itself, the bottom, even the back, everything solid wood, plywood. This thing is durable. It's going to last a long time. And here's how it looks all installed in the bathroom. As you can see here, they do have finished pieces. So I was able to get a finished piece on this edge here. Now, of course, you pick your own drawer pulls and vanity top to match whatever aesthetic you're going for. This piece just looks so beautiful and modern in this space. It really was the perfect fit for this bathroom. So yeah, that's it. I would definitely recommend putting this cabinet together yourself if you have prior experience putting together other furniture or cabinets. It's been a couple of weeks since we installed this and we love it. It's got so much storage. It's just absolutely beautiful. I would definitely buy again from cabinetdiy.com. My experience overall has just been phenomenal. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and subscribe for more DIY Made Easy.